Hey guys, I'm Cherie Criswell, independent designer for Couture. And today we're working on the pallet sign, Couture's pallet sign. And it is wood, and we can chalk on both sides, but it is a one-time only board, front and back. So I am waxing it. It's just on wood, it makes it much easier to work with. And now I'm showing you, I'm changing my candy apple red into more of a brown barn red by adding a little bit of our darker green and a little mocha. I like it much better. So as usual, you just squeegee on the paste and then take off the excess and put it back in your jar. And here we go. Now again, I'm using that min wax that I showed you, and I'm just dabbing it on after the paste dries, and then I'll take it and buff it lightly. This is a good tip when you're layering. You want to wax, you want to fuzz, and the second layer you want to put on with a lighter touch than the first layer. If you try and do all three of those things, you'll have success. At least it really works for me. Now in the second one, I'm using elephant gray, which is an old color. The new one would be storm. And again, I just simply squeegee it on and take off the excess. They do have registration marks to help you line it up, but honestly, you really don't need it. But either way, it works. Yes! Have I told you I love this transfer? I do. It's made so well. Okay, now the windmill, I want it to look like it's behind the farm. So I used the backing sheet as a mask. So I would only do it up to the barn, not over it. And now this pig is from an old retired transfer. I think it was Farm Life. I'll have to check that out. But I'm only using it for the grass that's underneath the pig right there. I want to put it at several different places around the barn. Just a little bit of a finishing touch. All right, now the windmill is also 2 layers. And I'm putting some more wax on there after it dried. Buff it up lightly. And then after you fuzz the transfer, put it back on. And I'm going to put the backer sheet back on there to keep me from chalking onto the barn. And I'm going to use elephant gray again. Yep, it's awesome. Okay, now this font is distressed intentionally. It has those little blue dots in the letters just to make it distressed. It's so forgiving. Plus, I love the way it looks. Yeah, see? So what do you think? I love it. All right, go check it out. Go to my website at couture.com/Cherie Criswell. And once you're there, you can shop, browse, join, or you can subscribe to our new monthly subscription. I really enjoyed it. I hope you did too. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.